The parts and service team at your Toyota dealership is dedicated to making your service experience simple and smooth, and to ensure you get your Toyota back on the road quickly and safely. Key to that experience is your Toyota Service Advisor, the frontline customer service specialist who greets you and discusses your service needs by phone or in person. When you arrive at the service department with your vehicle, they will conduct a vehicle walk-around to help confirm what your vehicle needs, as well as determine any other issues you should consider. The Service Advisor will offer appropriate repair or service recommendations and prepare an estimate for the recommended services or repairs, as well as inform you of the anticipated time required for completion. They may also take that opportunity to schedule an appointment for your vehicle's next regular maintenance and make you aware of Toyota Service Connect, so your vehicle can advise you of its own maintenance requirements. The Service Advisor will then communicate your vehicle information to a Toyota service technician who will carry out the service or repair. During the inspection of your vehicle, if the technician discovers any additional service requirements that need your approval, or if the time required for completion should change, the Service Advisor may contact you again via phone, text message, email, or your preferred method of communication. When the service is complete and you're ready to pick up your vehicle, your Service Advisor will explain the details of your invoice and address any additional questions or concerns you may have. Ensuring that your service experience is positive and that you drive away completely satisfied is the most important part of the Service Advisor's responsibilities. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.